Sunderland Communicates Together was created so that we've got a streamlined offer for speech, language and communication to families. It's inclusive. There's a variety of offers, but it's all in one place, like a one-stop shop. We've got the websites, we've got support within the family hubs, we've got support within schools, we've got peer networks, and we wanted to bring that all together. So to a family it's seamless, no matter where they get their support. It doesn't matter who's delivering it, but they can get it from where's the most convenient point for them.
So Sunderland Communicates Together supports my work with children and families by helping to identify and support communication needs from the earliest stages and at the earliest opportunity, which means our children in the city are going to get the right support early on. We know that communication skills are really important for education, for children to succeed in building relationships, for their emotional well-being, for success in school. So identifying and supporting those needs earlier gives the children and young people I work with the best chance at success. We know that communication development doesn't stop after the early years or the primary years, so continuing to target those skills throughout secondary school and into further education will really give our children and young people the best chance of success.
But part of the project has seen the partners from health, education and social care come together and jointly commission some of the aspects of Sunderland Communicates Together, which is the Talk Boost project. We've jointly commissioned between the ICB, Public Health and Together for Children, training for 94 schools for early Talk Boost, but we've also then expanded that into the older age range.
Since Sunderland Communicates Together launched and funded training, obviously our setting was one of the 94 schools that they provided Talk Boost training for. We've taken that initiative and it's supported our children from early on, providing all of the skills and the tools that practitioners need to be able to support their communication and language and understanding before they go on with a referral to receive specialist support by speech and language therapists.
There's been a huge difference in Fred. He didn't really lack in confidence anyway, but what's really nice is he is now aware of the struggles he's had around, his speech, and he's happy to talk about them and admit that he struggles. But there's an extra level of confidence as well because he's learning how to say the phrases and say the sounds properly. So yeah, he's definitely a lot more confident than he was. So whenever we've accessed any of the resources, whether it be online or any information that we've been given, it's really reassuring to know that it's endorsed and it's been given the information to come direct from local authority or local NHS trust.
It's really important that our families are getting the same message no matter where they're going, because often families are looking for a quick fix for their child to help them talk and to communicate. And actually what we do know is that it's that consistent approach and using those strategies that we've suggested and throughout all of Sunderland, it's that consistent approach that they need to take to help their children learn to talk and to communicate. And it's really important that families understand that communication is about more than just words. So actually our children can communicate with us in different ways, using gesture or using visuals and using lots of different methods that are used throughout the nurseries and the family hubs and that health visitors use. And it's really important that we're having that same message so that our families are using the right approaches to help their children.